Here's how to make your iPhone display brighter. Now, if your iPhone is not displaying as bright as you want it to, maybe you're outside in a really sunny place and you can't read your iPhone. It's really hard to read it and you just keep trying to toggle up that display brightness, but it's just not quite bright enough. I'll show you some tricks to fix that. So, of course, if you swipe down from the top right, you can see this brightness. I can switch this all the way up to the very highest. And this is technically the brightest your iPhone can get, but there are some tricks to make it brighter. So let's head into the settings here and we'll scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Now, once we're on here, one key thing is you can see this brightness. I can switch it down or up, and that changes the brightness. However, you can see the true tone is also turned on. So what this does is it usually makes the colors a bit warmer and potentially harder to read, harder to see that contrast. So I can toggle that off and it will make everything a bit bluer and the contrast really pops out. So if you're having a hard time reading or seeing your display, you might want to turn that true tone off. Now, another thing you can do is let's go back here and let's tap on accessibility. And then let's tap on display and text size at the very top. There are a few things you can do on here as well. So technically this is as bright as your iPhone can get, but you can modify the colors to basically make it easier to read. So you can toggle on bold text. If you wanted to bold things, that just makes it easier to read. You can do things like increase contrast right here. Basically what this does is makes everything pop out a bit better. And then another thing I like to do is hit this color filters here, toggle this on, and then you can play around with a color filter. If you're watching a specific movie or reading text, you can change on the color tint, you can change that tint to be a bit different. You can change the hue to be a bit different, maybe more blues or more warm colors or more greens. Just do what you can to make it pop and seem as bright as possible. So this is a last option you have. Just customize the colors to make sure everything looks really good and pops out, even if you're in a really bright area. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.